Here's another HW-16 that should probably wind up on the junk pile, but I think there's enough there to make it a viable project, maybe a long-term project, but it's a little bit rough, but most of it is there. Turn it around here a little bit, get a better view maybe. Oh yeah, there you go. It's not the prettiest thing, missing the RF gain control. And it's got the wrong knobs on it. Knobs are cracked, you know, and well, let's go inside here and we'll talk about how rough it is. So, it's got some issues. Rust on the chassis, more rust over here, generally pretty dirty all over the place. I think I have enough tubes to make this thing work, and the one I'm missing is the audio amplifier tube here, but I think that's going to be coming my way maybe. This cap is awful loose. I think it's one section of it has been disconnected and replaced. I'll show you that when we get underneath. And the dial's a little bit rough, but so this one has seen better days. But most of it's there, and I think with a minimal amount of effort or parts we can get it working. Okay, so here's what the underside looks like. And this 450 volt cap back here replaces one of the sections of the multi-can down in here. And it's, you know, kind of messy. Even with all the right components, it gets kind of messy down there. So, I don't know. I've got a same set of caps, original new caps from another HW-16 that test good for cap and ESR. I don't know if this one's worth putting a Hayseed Hamfest kit into or not, but I thought I'd start with the caps that I know are good and go from there. And if the whole thing looks like it's going to work okay, then maybe invest in the Hayseed stuff. But it's all there. There's no rust under the chassis. The circuit board is a lesson I learned previously, is definitely going to have to come off. And some cleanup of the power supply, that'll be the big thing. But we'll give it a shot, see what happens. And it'll keep me busy, that's for sure. Anyway, well, I'm waiting for the parts to arrive on the last HW-16 for the AGC and S meter mod. I guess I'll start the long cleanup job on this one. So that's it. Keep tinkering. See you later.